Well, the cicadas are definitely out. I don't know if you hear that noise, but it sounds horrible. I hate it. It just, can you hear it? And I'm about to show you. They're out here flying. They are really out and about. You hear them? That's all the cicadas. And we got a whole bunch on this tree. Look at all these shells. Look at all these cicada shells. Ooh, let me come up from this tree. Look, there go one flying right now. You ain't coming on me, buddy. Not today. Oh, I'm not ready for it. I was out here cutting the backyard and they were out there flying. So they are definitely in here right now. They just out and about. We got them all on this tree too. Live and well. Look at all these cicadas. Look at all these cicadas. Look at it. Look at that one move. Woo! Woo! The cicadas are out. But the beautiful rose bush, it really bloomed really pretty this summer. I love it. I planted this rose bush when we first moved in, and it's just growing and growing and growing, and it turned out to be really, really beautiful. But y'all hear all that noise? It sounds like daggone birds, cicadas, or something hovering over. It's like a constant, but it won't stop. You won't hear it when you go in the house, only outside.